What's up, fam? So today we're going to be doing another in the studio vlog type video, but what I thought would be really interesting if I just kind of talked about some of the little changes that have happened along the way in the last few weeks, few months, just kind of get everybody caught up on what's going on and some of the plans that I have moving forward with the studio. But right now I got to get down some stuff because I have my first pop-up shop of the year to get ready for. It's tomorrow. I need to get everything down. I haven't used this stuff since, well, ever, because when I got it, the pandemic hit and I couldn't go anywhere. So this is the first time I'll be using all of my newer convention gear. Yeah, my newer stuff for this pop-up shop that's going on tomorrow. So let me do that, and then we're going to go over a mini tour of the studio. That's it, a mini tour. All right, guys, let's go. So this is one of the bad things about the pandemic is when I did this tablecloth, things were a little bit different. But now I've changed. I made slight changes to the logo and slight changes to kind of my whole aesthetics. So let me use it for tomorrow, but at some point I'm going to have to get a new tablecloth, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I think this is going to work. I think this is a 6-foot cloth. I'm hoping this is. Because the last one was an 8-foot cloth, guys, and it's cool if you have an 8-foot table. Well, I discovered most tables are 6 foot, so go from there. All right. Well, I'm completely, yeah. That's a mess. All right, let's see what else we got. So this right here is an organizer, a magazine organizer, so I can set my books in there and stand them up on the table. This saves table space. So this is going to be a real big help. Let me take this out of here in a minute. Finally got everything set out just the way I wanted and just testing everything. I got my square reader charging. And I really wanted to test this out. The book display is on point. This is going to make my table way more efficient, and I'll have lots of space to do other things. So this was a very good choice, a very good purchase, and it's going to come in super handy. In fact, I might need to get a second one of these. I'm really thinking I need to get another one so I can have it 2 sides when I start going to convention. Let's check out all the changes that have happened to the studio. All right, guys, as you can see, a lot of changes have been made, mainly to my work desk, my work area, and came out pretty dope. I have to admit, it came out pretty dope. So let's take a little bit of a tour of the changes, and let me just kind of explain why I did the things that I did, even though I've kind of explained it, but how it's been working for me, and you've seen it in practical use in the past few videos. So let me just show you what I've done so far. So first things first, let's talk about my one stand setup, which has been coming in super duper handy. Now, normally there would be a microphone right here, but right now I'm using it for this vlog. And of course, this is where the camera goes, right here on this setup right here. And basically this is these ProMaster ball heads are super dope. I'm really glad I got it. And this super clamp, I need to get about 4 more of these super clamps, to be honest with you. And the little arm that holds everything really came in dope. Now the one thing that may change is my light setup. Now I love my Falcon Eyes LED, but I'm thinking of getting the Aperture 200, the little 200, either that or the little 100, one of those, and replacing it with that. And then I'm gonna use my Falcon Eyes for other lighting situations around the studio and beyond. That's still under consideration. I'll probably be making that decision in the next few weeks or so. All right, guys, so the biggest change to the studio has to be my 22-inch Wacom Cintiq. It is the Wacom 22. It's one of their it's the big tablet. It's the affordable model, and it is literally transformed my entire workflow. There's a lot of reasons why it's transformed my workflow, and actually I'll give you one right now. I'm drawing a line. I can draw that line fully. Without worrying about stopping. On my other tablet, I would have had to stop and then start the line again. I can complete full lines on this drawing, this Wacom tablet. So yeah, not only that I get to finish up my lines and better line quality, it's just really helped me overall with my digital art. It's helped me with my confidence. I really feel strong about it, and it's just a great all-around choice. I know a lot of people are saying, hey, the 24 or the 32, but those are really expensive. Even this was expensive at over $1,200, but I was able to get the cash and get it, and I'm really happy that I did spring for it. But I think that sometimes our eyes will get a little bit too big for wallets, and you're not going to get the return on value like you think you are. So I would caution everybody to just try to make sure that you're getting the best value. And for me, this 22-inch Wacom is serving my purposes perfectly, and it's giving me, is literally transformed everything. So what can I say? One of the best purchases I've ever made, and I'm very happy with it. All right, fam, so I hope you enjoyed this day in the life vlog. Just wanted to let you know what I got going on and some of the things I got going on. I haven't let you know the half of what I've got going on, to be honest with you, but I just wanted to show the effects of the changes that I've been making in this studio and how it's really made things a lot better as far as production is concerned. It's really as far as my art's concerned. Also, just how excited I am about getting back out into the convention / pop-up / retail world with selling books and stuff like that. I'm really looking forward to this pop-up shop event tomorrow, and just seeing how that goes and how my setup looks. But again, the artwork's a little outdated, so I'm gonna have to update it again, which means I gotta spend more money. But it's all good. That's on me. I'll work that out. But I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, go ahead and, you know, like it, subscribe to the channel, bell icon, and if you want to holler at me, Twitter, Instagram at DKG782, and if you want to support, all the links, including the one to my Patreon and all of the coloring books, graphic novels, notebooks, journals, everything I created is in the description below. I gotta get back to work, guys. Just wanted to make this quick video for you. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.